Hi everyone, today's hairstyle is for school and college girls. You need three things: a hair comb, two hair pins, and a hair tie. So, first of all, divide your hairs into two parts and comb them nicely, both front and back hairs. Then, I am taking a small section of hairs from each side, roll it, and make a small twist. You need some practice. In starting, it takes some time. Later, you will do it very easily. Secure these twists with pins at the back of your head. Take the remaining hairs on both sides, comb it upwards, and combine it with the pinned section. Secure all the hairs together with a hair tie. Flip the ponytail from back to front. I'm doing some back combing here because it creates a volume. Then tease the hair. Set the hair in place. This is the back look and this is the front look. This style adds volume to your ponytail and is very easy to do with a little practice. If you like this video, follow for more. See you in the next one. Bye.